Hi, this is Janab Beats. Today, I will make a beat with vinyl guitar, which is a free plugin. Let's jump into the full studio.
Let's jump into the FL Studio.
Sound good. First, I made the guitar melody. I added some effects, parametric EQ 2, fruity reverb 2, isotope vinyl, and fruity limiter for compression.
Fellas?
Now it sounds like. Sound good. Nice. I used Nexus for bass, and I didn't give any effect. Next, I made a pad sound in Nexus. I turned off the bell sound. I also adjust the attack release and reverb effect. Then I add EQ and pancake to it. Let's see what we've come up with. After that, I use a flute sample. Normalize the sample. I set sample star offset at 8% because the attack was low, due to the envelope settings, and turn everything down except hold. Turn the hold time 100%. I can hear the clicking sound, that's why I increased the attack knob a little. Nice. I also add the LFO. I add the reverb, frequency splitter, isotope vinyl, parametric EQ 2, and fruity limiter for compression. And last, I add parametric EQ 2 again. Here's what the sample sounds like with effects added.
Ooh, fire.
Let's move on and lay down some drums. Start with kick. 808. Clap. Hi-hats. Open hi-hats. Let's hear all together. Fire. Now let's listen to the whole beat together. Dude, I really love this vinyl guitar, and if you want to listen full beat, the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.